Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I created this makeup look. The highlight of the day is this little bitty palette. I didn't use anything but what you see here. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, stay tuned.
I'm gonna go ahead and start with a depuffing gel. I got this one on my BoxyCharm subscription, so I'm gonna see how it works. Then I'm gonna move on to the actual primer, and this one is from Smashbox. And then I will use the Stay Lauder foundation. I will only apply some of this concealer on the lid of my eyes. Then I will proceed to my eyebrows. I will finish up fixing my under eyes in a little bit. I don't know how much of a fallout I'm gonna get, so I'm gonna do that till the end. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this shade right here for the transitional color. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with a blending brush. It is a little bit sharper on the edge, but this is perfect for what I need it for because it's going to give me more control in handling this shadow. Then I'm gonna move on with a looser blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and start pushing that product up. Now I will use a lighter color just so you can kind of see how it's going to blend out from lighter to darker. And then for the lid, I will be using this, it's kind of like a teal turquoise color, and I will be applying it on the lid of my eye. Now I do want to create more depthness to this eye look, so I will go back to that color that I used on the crease of the eye, and I'm just gonna apply more of that shadow. Then with a clean brush, I am going to blend everything out. Everything needs to be smoothly blended. And for now, we're gonna take a little break there, and then I'm gonna move on with a concealer, and I'm gonna apply it on those areas where I need it. And then I'm gonna lock everything in with a translucent powder from Tarte, Born This Way. I'm gonna go ahead and get a black pencil from MAC and apply it on my waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and get this last color, and I am going to smoke it out a little bit. I think this eyeliner is from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a cat eye. So I do want to make sure that this look is intense. This mascara came in this box subscription, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Wasn't impressed. Now continuing with the bronzing, I'm using this trio from Too Faced. It is very subtle and I like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my cheeks, forehead, jawline. Apply it on my nose just so it gives that illusion that is smaller. I'm gonna move on to the brush. This one, it's very subtle as well, so I do like it. If you have any mistakes on your cat eyeliner, then you can always go back and fix it with a little bit of concealer. I will use the Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm gonna apply it like so. Now I have been loving this lip pencil, so it's a combination of a darker lip pencil with a lighter lippy. Now for me, the highlight that I used wasn't enough, so I went ahead and applied this one. This one I got it in one of the boxes, in one of the subscriptions from BoxyCharm, and I am loving it.
Well my friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, do not forget to click on that little bell so you know every time that I upload a video. So I'll see you in my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.